So this past week, Elgato did a reveal of a whole bunch of products they're bringing forward, like the Wave XLR, their new face cam, an updated stream deck, as well as some microphone arms that you can put on your stream setup. But when you look at the cost of those, especially for beginning streamers or content creators, you start to think that is a huge investment, and especially on some of their other products that people use, like their capture cards. In today's video, we're actually going to be talking about a budget option for creators to get into the capture card game and be able to capture their console or whatever the case that they need. The capture card we're talking about is this 4K Ultra HD pass-through with live commentary and monitoring. The best part is it's 33 bucks. Let's get into it. So let's go over the specs of this capture card. This capture card supports 4K pass-through as well as 1080p 60 frames per second capture over a USB 3.0 cable that you can put into programs like OBS, Streamlabs, or XSplit. This device also comes with a 3.5mm input and output jack for you to be able to plug in a microphone to add live commentary to the audio feed that's going in, as well as plug in your headphones so that you can hear the audio coming from the captured source. Inside the box, you receive the capture card as well as a service manual and the USB 3.0 cable that you need to plug into a USB 3.0 port on your computer. To set this device up for basic operation, go ahead and plug your console or whatever device you're trying to capture into the HDMI in on the capture card. On the out or the HDMI out, make sure you plug that into the monitor or TV that you're going to be watching as you're playing your game. The other end of this capture card has the USB 3.0 port. Make sure you plug that directly into your computer, again to a USB 3.0 connector. And last but not least, if you want to be able to hear your capture card audio, make sure you plug your headphones into the capture card using the headphone port. And if you want to add live commentary, this is where you'll plug in your microphone into the microphone slot. Now, to get this device fully set up in OBS so that you can be able to hear the device without having to use the monitoring on the system, there are a couple of things that you need to do. First, you need to add a video capture device to your scene, and then after you've done that, you're going to select USB video for the device. You can change all of these settings below, but here's what I recommend. Change this to custom. Make sure you select 1920 by 1080p for the resolution. Put it as match output frames per second, or go ahead and select 60 frames per second. Scroll down to the bottom, and this is where things start to get a little interesting. Make sure you click Capture Audio Device, and within this list, choose the USB video option. This is so it will grab the audio from the HDMI input. For you to be able to hear it, there are two options. First, right-click your audio mixer in your streaming program, go to Advanced Properties, and change the capture card to Monitor and Output. If you've set up OBS to actually hear your monitoring devices, you'll be able to now hear that device. To do that, under Settings, go down to Audio, and under the Advanced tab, change this to a source that you'll be able to hear, like your headphones. If this doesn't work for you, go to Windows Settings and then choose Sound. On this page, you're going to see related settings and you'll see sound control panel. In the sound control panel, under the playback tab, you're going to click the USB video source that you have and choose properties. Under here, you'll go over to levels and select listen to this device, and you'll be able to choose what source the audio will come from. Now that we've got everything set up, let's go ahead and take a look at the quality that you're going to get from capturing an Xbox One on this capture card. I hope the gameplay from those 3 games gives you an idea of what the quality is going to be like when you use this capture card. So let's wrap this video up with the thoughts that I have for this card. First, let's talk about the build as well as the functionality of this capture card. Not only is it something that is lightweight, it is made of metal, but its form factor is very small, not going to take up a lot of footprint either on your desk or near your console, in your living room, etc. Secondly, the functionality of the actual card itself. Not only do you get HDMI in and out with 4K pass-through and 1080p 60 capture, but you also get the option of plugging in your headset to be able to monitor your game audio directly from the capture card, or to connect a microphone to be able to do voiceovers direct onto that recording. And lastly, let's talk about cost. For $33, you're not going to find something that's going to give you this much functionality and do it as well as it does. The only thing that's even close to this price point that does it as well is going to be this mirror box capture card, and even it lacks some of the features that you're getting on this 4K pass-through capture card. The brand just reached out to me and said that they're providing a coupon code to my viewers for the next month or 2 that you can get this capture card for 50% off. And after you get the other coupon and all that counted up, it's going to be $14. I'll show you. $14.11 to have it shipped to my door with tax. So make sure you check the description for the coupon code and the affiliate link to take you there so you can pick this card up for yourself. That is an Amazon affiliate link, so it says support the channel, but it doesn't add any extra cost for you. And that'll bring us to the end of the video. If you want to see a comparison of some budget microphones that you might use in your setup to upgrade, check this video out over here. And if you want to be able to see the review for that mirror box capture card that's around the same price point but lacking a couple of features, check out this video right here. I'm Cyrus, and welcome to the darkness. We'll catch you next time.